Hey you guys, I'm in H.E.B today. Yesterday that was a Walmart video. So there's hardly nothing on the shelves here as well. I see people coming out with like 2 bottles of water. So that's probably they're limiting it, of course, as they should. They're putting things out. I already got things yesterday, so I just came to get some more water. Oh wow, I've never seen this like this at here at this H.E.B. This is apples. They're all sold out. All the apples. Wow. Apples are great because they last a long time. I like to get apples and cabbage and carrots because they last a long time. Got some yesterday. So the produce here. Plenty of avocados. Plenty of bananas. You guys remember yesterday I was looking for bananas. I ended up finding some. They're putting some squash out. Good, good. Plenty of potatoes. Plenty of potatoes and onions. Great. Onions is another great item I love to have because they last long. You can put them in all your food. The rotisserie chicken is gone. Oh, what's that smell? I smell something awful. There's no bread in the bakery. Plenty of sushi. They must have been up all more. But it smells. That's where the smell is coming from. Oh, God. Let's get my turkey from over here, but it didn't really stink. Fish market don't have any fish. They probably have to throw it all out. Cleaning it up because it stinks so bad. Oh my God, it smells so bad. Not hardly any meat over here neither, like it wasn't at, where's some now? Some there. It's more than it was at Walmart. This is the H.E.B over here of the south side of Houston. I'd go see the now I'm curious to know like once well I guess the ice there's some more ice on the road, so hopefully the trucks, all the bread is gone. Hopefully the trucks will be able to get back into Houston and resupply everything, everybody with the excuse me. All the bread gone. And this is early in the morning. It's like what, 8 now? 8 something? Well no, it's like 9:30, almost 10. These stores weren't open before the storm. They were open like 6 o'clock in the morning, then they shut down and start opening like 11 or 12. See a lot of empty shelves here, but it's more than what they had at Walmart.
Zooming out, sorry.
No problem. I can give them that. Wow, the syrup, maple syrup and stuff is gone. It should be. Okay, we're approaching the water aisle. No problem. It's a line. They have a line before you can go inside to get water.
Very limited.
I understand. How many can we get?
I think it's 2, depends on which one you get though.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you. So so they have somebody monitoring the water aisle. Water aisle. I have a lot of this already. I'm trying to see if I should get more. Because this has been going on. It's crazy. What can I get? I'll get one of these 32 ounce. I'll get one of these.